At Nuvera, we know that your time is valuable. That's why we're thrilled to introduce the new Nuvera Online Customer Account. It's your ultimate tool for saving money, customizing payments, and managing your accounts, all from one convenient place. With our new online account, you can set up autopay in just a few clicks. It's the perfect set-it-and-forget-it solution for your busy schedule. You have total flexibility in how you pay. We highly recommend choosing e-check, also called ACH payments. This lets you avoid the processing fee associated with cards, keeping more money in your pocket. And don't worry about losing track. Going digital doesn't mean being kept in the dark. You'll receive timely alerts and notifications before your auto payments are charged, so you always know exactly when money is leaving your account. And a PDF version of your invoice is easily accessible through the portal 24/7. We also have a game changer for caregivers or families, the Link Account feature. You can now manage multiple accounts, like your parents' internet bill and your own, without logging in and out. It's managing your household services simplified. Ready to see how simple account management can be? Log in today at nuvera.net/my-account and explore these new features for yourself. Let's make your life a little simpler. And remember, if you need a hand getting started, we are always here to help. Just call 844-354-4111.